Hey guys, what is going on? Today we're talking about super treasure hunts, the first 12 supers of 2019 that we know about so far. Now for those of you that don't know, Hot Wheels is going to release 15 super treasure hunts for 2019, one for each mix throughout the year. The first mix or case was letter A, and that one featured the 1990 Honda Civic Ef. The Civic can be recognized by its white Spectraflame paint color, black 5-spoke Real Riders wheels, and a treasure hunt logo on the rear license plate. Then Hot Wheels released Mix B, which featured the second super of the year, the Nissan Skyline Gtr R34. This iconic Skyline features Spectraflame green paint, Real Riders wheels, and a treasure hunt logo on the hood. Following up the Skyline in Mix B, we have the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster for Mix C. The Super Grand Sport Roadster features Goodyear tires on Real Riders wheels, golden Spectraflame paint, and a treasure hunt logo on the side. Moving on to Mix D, we have the Volkswagen T2 pickup truck. The super variation of the T2 pickup can be recognized by the Spectraflame copper color, TH on the side, and golden Real Riders rims. Now the E-Case features something a little different, the Back to the Future Time Machine in hover mode. The Super of the Time Machine features the exact same wheels but has a shiny Zamac finish and a treasure hunt logo on the side. As for Mix F, which is pretty much the most recent Super in stores now, is the Mazda Repo truck. The details on this Super include the TH on the side, the blue Spectraflame paint, and the all-black Real Riders wheels. Now the next Super expected to hit stores soon is the 92 Ford Mustang from Mix G. This Mustang features a treasure hunt logo toward the back, shiny blue Spectraflame paint, and shiny chrome 5-spoke Real Riders wheels. Looking ahead now to Mix H, this one will feature the 68 Mercury Cougar. The Cougar Super is a shiny Spectraflame green color with 5-spoke Real Riders black wheels and a treasure hunt logo toward the back. Jumping ahead to Mix J, as Hot Wheels doesn't do an iMix, this one is the 69 Corvette Racer. This JK Super and second Corvette for the year features a TH on the side, red Spectraflame paint color, and 8-spoke Real Riders wheels. Now for the super treasure hunt of Mix K, we have the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. The Demon Super features a set of Real Riders wheels with fat tires, TH on the trunk, and a red Spectraflame shiny color. Looking ahead now to Mix L, it is expected that the super treasure hunt will be the Street Creeper. This model features a TH logo on the roof, a set of wheels with rubber tires, and a special paint to signify being a super. And the latest super that we just found out about is for Mix M, and this one is the Tesla Model S. Based on the photos so far, it looks like the Tesla will be a blue Spectraflame color with black Real Riders wheels and a TH on the back. So there you guys have a quick rundown of all the supers that we know of so far for 2019. We're still waiting to find out the last 3 supers, which will be for the N case, the P case, and the Q case. But in the meantime, I wish you guys all the best of luck finding supers, and let me know in the comments below how many super treasure hunts you have from this list. And last but not least, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.